Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we are making a popular breakfast dish which is a hot favorite in most Goan restaurants, Goan Potato Bhaji. Step 1. Boiling the potatoes. We have taken 5 medium-sized potatoes weighing around 500 grams. On medium heat, in a thick bottom pan, add the potatoes without removing the skin. Now add 3 cups of water until the potatoes are fully submerged. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover the pan, leaving it partially open, and boil the potatoes for 25 to 30 minutes, ensuring the potatoes are not overboiled. To check if the potatoes are perfectly boiled, insert a thin wooden stick or a toothpick in the potato. Once the stick goes in smoothly, you know the potatoes are ready. After the potatoes are boiled, let them cool, then peel the skin and cut the potato into cubes. Do this with the rest of the potatoes. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves or Karee Patta. Take 2 medium-sized onions and cut them fine, 1/4 inch piece of ginger cut very fine, 9 cloves of garlic cut fine, 2 green chilies cut fine, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Step 3. Preparing the potato bhaji. On medium heat, in a thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin seeds. Stir everything properly. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, add the curry leaves. Stir everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Now add the finely cut onions. Stir everything properly. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once the onions turn translucent, add the finely cut garlic. Stir everything properly. After some time, add the finely cut ginger. Stir it nicely. Now add the finely cut green chilies and stir. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir. Fry for 2 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Now add the boiled potatoes. Mix everything properly.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Add half a cup of water. Stir everything nicely and cook for 5 minutes. While it is cooking for 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Garnish with finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Serve it hot with puris or pav. If you have any questions or feedback, please write to us in the comments section. Popular Goan Potato Bhaji is ready. Do let us know if you liked this video and see you soon with another interesting recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.